Hi everybody, this is a video of two of the Philips self-ballasted mercury vapor light bulbs together. As you can see, on the right is the 100 watt self-ballasted mercury bulb and the 160 watt self-ballasted mercury bulb. I thought I'd do two of them in each wattage. Yeah, because they're both labelled Philips. I thought I'd do two of the Philips ones together because they're both named Philips. 100 watt and 160 watt. Yep, that's right. So I'm going to, they're all connected into the extension, ready to switch on in 1 second or two. And as you can see, this one's the screw-in one and this one's the bayonet one. Yep, that's right. Both named Philips. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn out the lamp now. So right, that's it now. Onto the self-ballasted mercury bulbs, everybody. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Both very bright. Yep, as you can see, from my eyes, I know the 160 watt one's a bit more brighter than the 100 watt one. Let's take a good look into the 100 watt one now. So, yep, as you can see, they both started with the incandescent filament. That one's a bit dim. And this one's a bit more brighter because this one is 60 watts brighter than the 100 watt one, and the 100 watt one's 60 watts dimmer. So as you can see, they're both incandescent. Yep, let's take a good look into them. As you can see, yep, both are incandescent. Yep, both started with the incandescent filament each. And I thought it looks great. I thought I'd never done two of them like that before, even though I have, but I thought I'd do 100 watt and 160 watt ones together each. And as you can see, as look up on the ceiling, it's shining very white all around my room now. So, and as you can see, it's lit my breakfast tea table so well, and they both look like two suns, don't they? Because they do remind me of bright sun, don't they? And let's have a look at the 160 watt one now, because it's more likely it's changing into mercury, is it? Let's have a look. Oh, yes it is now. It's changing into mercury vapor now. But let's take a look at the 100 watt one. Is that one changing? No, it's very hard to see. I think it's very vaguely it's changing into mercury. Because it's, I don't know, I think the mercury arc tube's a bit weaker in that 100 watt one. But the one in the 160 watt one's more stronger. Yep, it's changing into mercury now. Yep, mercury vapor, as you say. Freddie Mercury vapor in closed brackets. And let's take a good look now into the 100 watt one underneath. Can you see? Yeah, it's very hard to see. All you can see is the incandescent filament in that one. And let's take a look at the 100 watt into the 160 watt one. So, and oh yeah, you can see, yeah, it's lit really. Yes, so mercury now, mercury vapor. Yeah, and have a look at them two each. They're both shining a bit of a different colour now. That 160 watt one's changing into pure and simple white. Yeah. So I thought I'd do a video of two of them together, so makes it more interesting. Yeah, and they're both named Philips each, because the 160 watt one's bigger than the 100 watt one, and the 100 watt one's smaller than the 160 watt one. Yep, that's right. So as you can see now, it's fully changed to mercury now, the 160 watt one, but the 100 watt one is still incandescent. I think it's fairly seems to have changed. Let's take a good look into it now. Yeah, it's very hard to see because it's very fully coated in white, and it makes it a bit hard for me to see. It looks like it's very vaguely changed into mercury. That one has, but I know the 160 watt one has. So, and I know the printing is upside down. And yeah, as you can see now, the mercury arc tube is fully flared up with the incandescent filament. Yep, that's right. So all I'm going to do now, right, I'm going to turn them off and turn them back on now. I'll show you what happens now. So, that's it now, they've fully gone out now, so, right, all there is now, it's just a total blackout now, so, all I'm going to do now is going to turn them lamps back on, so, right, that's it now, they're both stopped off now as I've turned them back on, but we're going to stand and wait now and wait to see if they'll come back on. Let's see which one comes on first, shall we? So, let's see which one comes on first. So, see which one comes on first. 100 watt or the 160 watt one. Just gone fully dead, haven't they? But they'll start to reload up soon. What's happening now? Oh, 160 watt one's coming on now. Oh, and the 100 watt one. Oh, both flashing together. Oh, the 100 watt one's just come on now. So all there is now is just the 160 watt one. It's funny that oh, that was, wow, they've fully come back on now, full brightness, and they're both at incandescent now. It's funny enough, the mercury arc tube in the 160 watt one just started to flare, but the 100 watt one started to kick in first before the big one did. Yeah. As you see, they're both sisters, that's what I call them, because they're both named Phillips. Now let's take a good look into the 160 watt one now, because I know it's still at incandescent. Oh, I could still see a bit of the mercury arc gas is starting to flare up now. Right, let's take a good look into the 100 watt one now. So as you can see now, it's still, well, I think that one will take its time though. It hardly ever changed to mercury. It changes halfway, but it's mostly still at incandescent. Yeah. As you can see now, the mercury one's starting to change now. Change into mercury. And as you can see, they're both lit at full brightness. You still get brightness from them too because they are self-ballasted, and you can connect both of them to direct main supply. So, and as you can see now, looks like the mercury, that 160 watt one's starting to change to mercury. Yeah. And as you can see now, it's it looks like it's fully changed. So and as you look now, it's starting to lit really white. It's lit my breakfast tea table. Let's have a look down on it. Yeah, and still a bit of a incandescent mercury glow on the breakfast tea table, as you can see. Yeah. Let's take a good look on the ceiling. It's looking all white now, all around my room. Yep, all white around my room, and around all around my living room, and around the windowsill and everything. So as you can see now, let's take another good look now into the 160 watt one. Has it changed to mercury? Yes, it has now. It's changed to mercury. So the mercury arc tube's fully flared up now. It's warmed up. But the 100 watt one, let's have a look at that one. That one's still halfway incandescent, that one. I know I said about that one before when I did videos of it. Well, one video actually. But actually, as you can see, let's take a good look. It's still got the clear bottom bit underneath the 100 watt one and the 160 watt one. Yeah, the one Edison screw and one bayonet. Yeah, so I think they've both fully brightened up now. So, right, I'm going to turn them off now. So I'm going to turn them off. There they go. Right, that's it now. They've both gone out. So I'm going to put the big light back on now. Right, that's it now. The big light's back on now. So I thought I'd do a video of two of them together. So this is the video of two of the Philips self-ballasted mercury vapor light bulbs, everybody. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So please comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everybody.